In this video, I will show you how to transform your footage from this into this using a simple editing technique in DaVinci Resolve. Now I have imported my clip into the timeline. First, we need to remove the background, so head over to the Fusion tab, search for Magic Mask, and place it between these nodes. For the mode, I will switch it to Better for more accurate selection. Then click the plus icon to add to your selection and place over the subject. After that, you can adjust the sliders here and in the matte control to get cleaner result. Once you are happy with the selection, click this icon to start tracking the mask, and we wait until it's finished. Go back to the edit page. Now you can adjust the position of your subject. Make sure it's placed in the center of the frame. After that, move this layer above it. Then open the toolbox, find solid color, and drag it onto the timeline as your background layer. Make sure to set the color to black. Right-click the background layer and create compound clip. Next, we are going to add fake soft light effect. Go to the toolbox, find the circle shape, and place it on the background layer. Increase the soft edge to create smooth lighting effect. Then adjust the position and place it around behind the subject's head or something right here to simulate soft light source. Now we want to match the lighting between the subject and the background. Select your main clip and go to the color page. Open the curves panel, then bring the white point down something around here just to reduce the brightness. After that, bring down the midpoint quite a bit to add some nice contrast to this. Bring the saturation all the way down to 0 to completely desaturate the image. Now go back to the edit page, open the toolbox, find the adjustment clip, and place it above your main clip on the timeline. Next, go to the filters panel, search for light rays, and apply this effect to the adjustment clip. Then adjust the source threshold, which controls how much the bright areas generate the light rays. After that, adjust the position to set where the light source is coming from. In this case, place it around the center behind the subject. You can also adjust the soften, gamma, brightness settings to refine the effect. Feel free to experiment with these sliders until you get more natural and balanced result. Now let's add another adjustment clip and place it on the top layer. This time I'm going to add film grain from the filters panel. This is optional, but I like adding a bit of grain to introduce some texture, make the image feel more natural and cinematic. Now let's add some color into the image. Go to the color page, then adjust the gain wheel and choose any color you like for the highlights. In this case, I will set it to warm orange tone. Then I adjust the offset slightly toward blue to add a cooler tone to the shadow areas, creating a nice color contrast. As a final touch, adding a vignette helps the subject stand out, which means it helps focus attention on the subject. And finish. This effect is absolutely insane. You've gotta try this and watch how it transforms your video. I hope you found this video useful in some way. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.